days. So in today's video, we are going to do multiple choice question types that you get in the listening section. Now, some of us find these questions very confusing. So today we are going to do a strategy that will help us understand how do we utilize the reading time and identify the keywords in the questions correctly. So this is the first question type that we can get in the exam, wherein you are asked a question and you have options. Out of these three options, you have to select any one. Now, when we read the instructions carefully, we see that we have to choose a letter, and out of these three, we have to write any one letter in the answer sheet. Please don't end up writing this whole thing in the answer sheet. Even if your answer is correct, it will be marked as wrong. So we will not do that. We will only write the alphabet as it is clearly mentioned in the instructions. Before the audio is played, you are told which questions will the audio cover. So we need to focus on this also, that before the audio is played, we will read these questions in the given time. Now let us try and understand what should we do while we are reading these questions. So in any question, you will find some key terms or keywords which will provide you the essence of the audio that you are listening to, and you have to focus on those. Now here, if you look at question number 11, it is saying how much time for volunteering. So when you say how much time, it is talking about duration. Now we need to understand that duration can be in hours, it can be in minutes, it can be in days. Okay, so when you talk of duration, you have to keep that thing in mind. And duration of what? Duration of volunteering, because we can see that the topic is about volunteering projects. And this, how many or how much time is allowed per employee. So for one employee, how much time will be allowed by the company? That is what we have to answer. So it can be, like the options you can see 2 hours per week. So are they talking about weekly basis, or 1 day a month? Are they talking about monthly basis, or are they talking about annually, in which you say 8 hours per year? So per year can also be seen as annually or yearly. So you need to understand that the essence of what is being spoken is very important. And sometimes it may so happen that the key word is there and the keyword is already mentioned in the audio that you are listening to, but the essence may not be same. So instead of 1 day per month, they might end up saying something else where month is used, but it is not 1 day per month. They may also say that previously it was allowed 1 day per month, but now they have shifted to 8 hours annually. So in this case, even when 1 day per month, you can clearly listen in the audio, but it was previously allowed. And now we are saying, looking at the term does, we have to look at the present context. So we will go by annually, 8 hours annually, that option. Okay. So these are the things that we need to keep in mind when we are doing the listening question types. In the second question, that is question number 12 here, it is said that about feedback they are talking, and they're saying that almost all employees said that volunteering improved their something. So some skill was improved. So other words for improved can be enhanced, okay, honed. So the essence, again, we need to understand should remain the same. Now, what did it improve? Their chances of promotion, or is it talking about job satisfaction, or they had better relationship with their colleagues, right? So these are the keywords we need to understand. So we need to focus on what is being spoken in the audio. And sometimes you will see that the audio keeps moving back and forth, which means they would say something and then say no, but this was later changed. So all those points you have to consider. So listening to the audio carefully would give you a better idea of what correct answer choice should be made. Then let us look at question number 13. So this is talking about last year. So this is one key word, last year here. Then some staff helped unemployed people. So now help was given to unemployed people. Now what were unemployed people helped with? Was it with their literacy, the writing or the reading skills? Or was it helping them apply for jobs? Or was it their communication skills? So these points you have to keep in mind when you are listening to the audio here. Talk about the second question type that you get here. And this question type, we are focusing on question number 17 and 18 for this question. So which means in the answer sheet, when you are given question number 17 and 18, you have to write any two alphabets. You have to choose any two letters out of A, B, C, D, and E. So let us assume that the answer here is C and E. So you will write C and E, or you can also write E and C. Now, either ways, your answers are going to be correct. Okay. So again, instructions become important here. Choose two letters. You have to choose two letters and you have to write each letter against the question number, the respective question numbers that are given here. Now, again, when you look at this term two, it is being capitalized for you so that it draws your attention. So it is saying what two things are mentioned about participants on the last digital inclusion day. So here we have to focus on the last day, which day it is, digital inclusion day. So now is age a factor? They were all over 70. So is that what we are talking about? Okay. So over means it has to be more than 70. Is that coming in the audio? They never used their computer. So never is, something which is never, not any time in past have they used computer. If it is seldom or sometimes that is coming in the audio, then obviously you're not going to choose this option. Their phones were mostly old fashioned. So most of them had old fashioned phones. Many of them had old fashioned phones. Some of them had old fashioned phones, or they had phones which were not upgraded, or their phones did not have new technology. All these can be kept into consideration here. So we are talking about phones, and are they talking about old fashioned ones? Then what is the use of the phones? Why do they use their phones? Is it for making calls only, or there are other reasons also why the phones are used? They initially showed little interest. So little interest is that being talked about, and this is initially, which means in the beginning of the sessions did they show little interest. So these are the keywords. Before you start listening to the audio, you get that time. Please make sure you understand these keywords and you focus on these keywords when you are doing your, you are giving the answers away. Okay. So this was all for multiple choice question types. So all the very best for your preparation. Happy learning. Keep evolving.